Now if I try to run this app or this form, it's going to show me an error. Let me show what I mean. So I'm going to call this as something new. I'm just going to copy this and paste it. And if I hit submit, you can see that it's forbidden. That's because the CSRF token is not found. So we need to add that. That's a security stuff that comes within Django. So let's see how we can add that one. So right after this form, we're going to say CSRF token. Just add that. Okay, so now I can get back over here. Let's hit refresh. And now we can add anything we want. So I'm going to call this as something new. Get more stuff to build with Django. Okay, so let's run this. Now you can see that the new app is created. So we have the something new showing up over here. Okay, but one thing you can notice here is that if we don't have spacing set up for our nodes. Okay, so let's see how we can do that one. So for that, what we have to do is we have to get back to the nodes list, and then we need to add some spacing. So for this card, I'm going to say MB3, save that. So that's going to add some spacing here. Let's hit refresh. Okay, so that adds some spacing.